Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and the other day I bought this this cable crimping kit, and it's coming out really handy. Let me show you a little project I'm working on. I got this on Amazon. The link to it's in the description. There's about 1,000 things you can probably use it for in your shop, so check this out and how we use it and make it simple. First thing, the nice thing about this kit is it comes with these cutters, and when they cut, you can see that they completely encircle the cable and cut it. If you try to cut this cable with like a pair of flat cutters like this, if you try to cut this with this guy here, it will smash the cable and fray it and make it a big mess, and you won't be able to slide this over it. So is what we've done. We've the first thing you want to do, we've got it is you want to slide the little crimper onto the cable. If you're doing it like this, I'm running it through this guy here, so I'm going to slide it in there, and then you're going to want to slide the other piece of cable through it. I leave it out, sticking out just a little bit, and then you're just going to grab this with the crimpers and put it in there, and it's going to squeeze that cable. I'm doing this left-handed here, so you can see where it squeezes it, and then I'm going to hit it. I hit it twice on each one. Let's see if I'm doing that right. And it squeezes it nice and tight, and it's not going anywhere. And so in this scenario here, we ran a cable through this closet rod. We use this bar for when we're doing garage cabinets. On this end, we've screwed the rod bracket on so we don't lose it, but we need to be able to put it in the cabinet and have it to where this guy goes into the cabinet, and then this will drop down in it. But we don't want that to disappear. We won't have to walk around and have struggle, so we put that cable on there. We've got two of them that'll go in the garage trailer. Nice, simple, easy. Like I said, this thing's really slick and nice. It comes with a whole bunch of